What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So I cannot take myself seriously, okay? You probably looking here and wondering why this girl have on a hat in her house, right? So I bought this hat and I haven't worn it yet. So I figured if I wear it for a video, that could count as I have worn the hat, right? So I wore the hat. The hat has been worn. Now, today I'm going to be doing a rice water length check video for you guys. I know a lot of you wanted a length check, and I haven't done one in a while because I wasn't seeing a significant difference. But I think it's been a while since I've done a length check, so I'm just about to do a length check video for you guys, so stay tuned. Boop. Okay, so usually I measure the front and then above my ears and then the back, so that's what I'm about to do right now. This is currently my braid out. Y'all know I loose out my braids. I think Sunday I loose out my braids. Today's Thursday, and this is how it's looking. It's looking kind of cute. Y'all already know my way of maintaining my braid out is just braiding it back in the night. Like, I had 6 jumbo braids in my hair in the night, and then in the morning I just loose it back out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to measure the front. I think I'm going to put my measurements from the last video down in the description so y'all could compare to see if there was a significant difference or not. Oh my god, this thing rusty. But I can't find the other one. I can't find the other new one. This thing rusty bad, but nonetheless, let's continue. So, okay, so Napa Wappa. Oh god, I don't like that. I can see this. Oh god, my hair there at 17. Almost 17 and a half. Okay. Let's do the other side. Yep, 17. I know it was never 17 before, so probably I got like an inch, I think. All right, over the top, looking like 15. 15 over the air. Let's see what this one was. And keep in mind that my hair is not blow dried or anything. It's just I just braided it. I stretched it by braiding it. Yeah, this is 15 over my ears. Oh my gosh, this is exhausting. It's hot. And this is the back. The back is 14. I don't know what's going on with the back. The back, I don't know if it needs to be stretched out some more or something. Because when I pull it, it looks long, but then when I measure it, it's like, I don't know. Yeah, for the back, I'm getting 14. I don't know how much it was before. So I don't know if I'm just not stretching it out properly or what. Let me see. Let me try again. Let me try to stretch it to the utmost stretch. And measure the back again. Let's see. If it say 14, then it's 14. Yeah. It like 14. Yeah, okay. It like 15. Oh. Yep. Okay. So the back is 15. It looks like I need a clip, but the back is 15, and y'all saw the measurements for the others. So I'm just going to go in my previous video description, take the measurements from that one, add it to this description, and then y'all could compare the new measurements to what's in my description so y'all could see if I had any significant difference. Okay, you know what? This is bothering me. I need to clip this off. Yeah. In my opinion, I don't see a significant difference in terms of length. But I do see a significant difference in terms of volume and how my hair feels. Like it feels better. Like it feels better and it looked better than how it looked before. That's the major difference I have seen while using rice water. Like definitely the volume. I feel there is growth, but it's not like, I feel like when I initially started using it, I saw more growth than now. And maybe that's because when I initially started using it, I used it like twice. And then I had probably used it like a little extra in that same month. But now it's like your girl kind of falling off. So I'm using it like once or twice in a month. Sometimes once, like depending on if I have a hairstyle, then I use it like once. So maybe, you know, maybe that's another factor to consider. Nonetheless, I like the volume. I like how it's making my hair look, and I'm going to still be applying it at least once a month. Like I'm not going to stop doing that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.